Good afternoon, everyone. It's Louise from Eleanor Grace. Just a quick update, as I promised you, on the story so far with these stitch alongs. I have made a start on all three of my Christmas baubles. Another video to come to you tomorrow afternoon UK time at about 2 o'clock, hopefully. But this is what I had done so far. With this one I didn't get very far. I just started off with the chain stitch around the inside there, and I'm going to work on that one this afternoon, adding in a few more stitches. And these two I have got, as you can see, I've got a little way with these. So this one, I started off with the French knots in the centre, which I went a bit mad with, but I really do like the look of them. And the zigzag stitch you will remember around the edge. I then interspersed the zigzag stitch with single fly stitches. Now these the video for the fly stitch and the French knots are on my channel if you want to have a look at that in detail. But these are the fly stitches that I started with, and they look like little sort of cup holders to me, so I might do a little French knot in the middle of each of these. I'm going to have a little play with this afternoon and see what comes to me. And then finally on this one I've done quite a lot. So this one I've done obviously the seed stitch in the middle. I've then done a long tailed fly stitch going into the center, with metallic thread in between with a little running stitch, some French knots, just as I was talking about in the other one, in the middle of these fly stitches, and then just another running stitch around the edge. I'm now going to start to come out from here, maybe with some spokes coming out here, and I'm going to work on that this afternoon. So there's my update, and if you're not already a member of the group Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, do please come and join us and share your progress on yours, and just answer the questions to come into the group, and I will let you in as soon as I can. And yeah, it'd be lovely to hear from you all how you're getting on with yours. Have you made a start? Have you chosen your colours? Do comment and like and subscribe if you can. It all goes to help me produce lots more free content like this. Thanks very much, and I'll catch up with you again tomorrow. Bye.